Whittaker was an influential American ecologist who made significant contributions to the field of biology, particularly in the classification of organisms. According to the Ncert biology textbooks for classes 11 and 12, his most notable contribution is the Five Kingdom classification system, which he proposed in 1969. Biography. Full name: Robert Harding Whittaker, born December 27, 1920, died October 20, 1980. Education and career. Whittaker received his Ph.D. from the University of Illinois and went on to work at various institutions, including Cornell University and the University of California, Irvine. He was a leading figure in the field of ecology and made substantial contributions to the understanding of ecological communities and the distribution of plant species. Contributions. Five Kingdom classification. Whittaker proposed dividing life forms into five kingdoms: viz. Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. His classification was based on several criteria, including cell structure, prokaryotic against eukaryotic, body organization, mode of nutrition, and ecological roles. This system provided a more comprehensive framework for classifying organisms, addressing limitations of earlier two-kingdom, plants and animals, and three-kingdom, plants, animals, and Protista systems. It recognized the fundamental differences between prokaryotes and eukaryotes, as well as among eukaryotic organisms. Ecological research. Vegetation analysis. Whittaker conducted extensive research on vegetation patterns and the relationships between plant communities and environmental gradients. Gradient analysis. He developed techniques for analyzing vegetation along environmental gradients, contributing to the understanding of species distribution and community ecology. Primary production. Whittaker studied primary production in different ecosystems, contributing to the knowledge of energy flow and nutrient cycling in ecological communities. Whittaker's contributions have had a lasting impact on the fields of taxonomy, ecology, and environmental science, providing a framework that is still used and built upon today.